Well, my friend picked up the corn grinder for me today, and guess what? It's been a planter, a garden ornament for the last, I don't know, 50 years or so, and absolutely stays solid. Anyway, I thought I'd just give you a walk round of it and show you it. I think someone's tried, because these bolts on the end, I'm putting the blooming light in the way, these bolts on the end were actually loose, and I got the end cover off quite easily, but it's absolutely solid, right? If you can see in there, look. So what I'm going to do anyway is I'll just show you around it. Like I said, it's a right, yeah, I've got to move the light, we're at night, and I just this second decided to do this video, you know, and so we'll show you. Right, there's that, and what else? I don't think it's going to do the job. I seriously don't. But hang on, the light's, it's a bit glary, is it? I don't know. Right, where is it? There. I'm holding a table lamp in one hand and you know, the camera in the other. So we've got what we've got, right? And I think it's going to remain a garden ornament. Anyway, I've thought of another idea that might just work, because I don't think this will. I bought a very small, I've ordered off eBay tonight, bought one, only, what is it, 12, 13 pounds something, not very dear. A little hand one, like the old mincer size, and if I get the pulley off that, and sorry, if I take the handle off and put a pulley on, even though it's very small, it's new and it might work. So, you know, we're not defeated yet, but it's not going very well. You've got to admit, it's not going very well, is it? But the paint mill has made quite a few videos, you know, it's been interesting. Despite not being able to grind flour, it's been interesting. Well, as for me, I don't know if it has for you or not. I'm sure you'll soon tell me in the comments. So that's what we've got. It's, you know, can't talk about it. It's absolutely solid, right? It's actually welded shut. I'm in the house and I put a drop of paraffin in because it runs through. So what I'm going to do tomorrow, hopefully, is, because it's almost too heavy for me to lift, because my back's very slightly lifting it in there. So I've got my barrow, that one. So tomorrow I've thought if I barrow this outside and tip it flywheel side down, I may be able to pour some solvent, thin oil, something like that in it to get it to work. Because the problem is, you see, and I have to get the light again to show you this. I'm putting the light in the way now, aren't I? That's stupid. Right, if you can see, there's a roll pin through there. But you can't get it to hit it out unless it's vertical. Because your punch will go in the spout in the bottom, you see. So that's how it's put together. So unless I can get it to turn, I can't take it to pieces. You know, it's... Anyway, we'll have a play with it. Sorry, I keep putting the light in the way. We'll have a play with it, and you know, we'll have a video or two on it, and then, you know, it may even be passed along. We'll have to see. But as I said, we haven't given up on the job, and it's a bit disappointing because I thought third time lucky, you know. So slightly disappointing. I'm not too worried about it. So I've got a very small new one that should be coming sometime end of next week, I think. And then I've got to find some milling wheat somewhere and find some milling wheat somewhere and we can still do what I was intending to do with the engine. You know, I've still got to get a pulley on it and have a handle, but I had to do on here. The only thing that's good about this, you see the shaft there? Well, if it turn, and if it work, if I can get it turning and work, there's a bit sticking out there of the shaft. And I could get a pulley on there, and the flywheel would even things out and make it work a lot better than the one in the video. Did I tell you? I can't remember, sorry. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll put in this video, right, I'll put a link in the description of one that we found, the same as this, running on a lister that's grinding corn. That's why we bought this one. But it's not the end of the world. It didn't cost that much, you know. Anyway, if anybody fancies this as a garden ornament, it's only £30. Come and collect it. All right. You can't make it up.